Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan nyo ako mag-react sa bandang Sweet Notes guys. Ito yung cover song nila guys ng kanta ng Firehouse. Yung pinamagatang You Are My Religion. Ayan, tugtugan nila to guys sa Talisay City, Cebu. Ayan, panoorin natin kung gaano kagaling ang bandang Sweet Notes.
Here's another song for everyone. Hey, hey. You can all sing the sing along with us. Come on.
Grabe, sobrang daming tao, no?
I've lost my faith in everything. I couldn't believe in anything until I put my faith in you.
Pati sa gilid ng stage guys, oh, punong-puno ng tao. Talagang dinagsa sila ng tao, no? Grabe, dami talagang humanga sa bandang Sweet Notes.
Easy to climb, to worship somebody's all of the time, anytime. I would do anything for you. Let's go, everybody, come on. I found my heaven right here with you.
Ganda nitong kanta na to ng Firehouse. Marami na rin nakapag ano nito cover.
Believe in me forever, I believe in you. Everybody say, not just on Sunday. I love you every day, and I fall to.
Yun, no? Tutok na tutok yung camera kay BJ. Grabe.
My knees, every night I'll praise you. Come and save me for all eternity in the name of the Father and
Alam mo talaga pagkasikat yung banda guys, napapasabay yung mga audience pagka kumakanta.
the Son. You are my religion. Hey, that's right. I was looking for a miracle. Didn't think that love was possible.
Lahat ng tao talagang sa kanila yung focus Wala akong makikita ng tao na hindi nakapokus sa kanila, nakatulala lahat Banda Sweet Notes.
Oh, it's a love that's made me whole. And I pray that peace will never end. You're my love, you're my best friend. You took me in and saved my soul.
Sobrang energetic talaga nila pag nagpe-perform sa stage. Talagang gagana ka talaga panoorin sila
Come on, say! I found my heaven right here with you. Believe in me forever. I believe in you and not me. Not just on Sunday.
Parang nakailang punta na rin sila dito, no? Sa may Cebu. Marami na silang natugtugan dito.
I love you every day and I fall to my knees. Every night I'll praise you. Come and save me.
Halos nalibot na yata ng banda Sweet Notes ang Pinas So sobrang dami siguro nag-i-invite sa kanila na tumugtog.
For all eternity in the name of the Father and the Son. You are my religion. Yeah.
Meron pa nga silang tinugtugan guys umuulan. Pero yung mga tao talagang hindi umalis sa kanilang mga pwesto talagang para lang mapanood sila.
Even on the song, huwag mo kayo mahiyang sumabay. Mag-sing along together. Come on!
Ayan, nagpakitang gilas din si BJ dito. Nag-adlib.
Nasa ligaw! Enjoy na lang po! Hey! Come on!
Isa rin sa idol sa gitara to si BJ, no? Napakagaling niya sa gitara guys.
Not just on Sunday. I love you every day, and I fall to my knees every night. I'll praise His. You come and save me for only.
Ayan guys, baka may nakapanood ng live sa inyo dito sa may Talisay, Cebu sa banda Sweet Notes. I-comment nyo lang guys kung magaling ba silang tumugtog pagka live.
See and forgive me for the things that I have done. In the name of the Father and the Son, you are my religion.
O, diba guys? Parang hindi sila iidolihin ng mga tao ganyan sila kagaling. Ito yung magpe-perform sila. Parang isang malaking concert lagi.
My religion. My religion. Let's go!
Tsaka pansinin nyo guys, maraming mga nagre-react sa kanila na reactor. Kasi talaga napakasikat nila guys. Sa social media, pati sa Facebook, yan, makikita nyo yung mga videos nila dyan.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Ayun. Palakpakan yung mga tao guys. And guys, kung bago ka pa lang na nakapanood sa banda Sweet Notes, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang kanta guys. At kung nagustuhan mo yung mga ganitong klaseng video guys, mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating channel para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.